Previously we've seen how to accomplish this mission from the first LEGO League 2018-2019 competition into orbit, and we've seen with one attachment that's for the SUV box robot. Now I would like to show you a different attachment that uses a similar principle, and it's a different attachment for our box robot. The interesting thing about this different attachment right here is that it is a multi-purpose attachment because we attach it to another larger attachment. Let's get into details of how you accomplish this mission. What I forgot to mention is what's the goal of the mission. You have this mission model and it's placed on the field, and what you must do is move with the robot to reach the mission model, then take these 4 parts, this means push or pull these 4 parts, collect them in a container and return them back to base. That's the goal of the mission. And initially I was worried that this will be a very difficult mission, but it's proven to be not that much of a challenge for most of the teams. Let's see how we can do it with a second attachment.
Find this and more tutorials at FLLCasts.com.